Soccer, known as football outside the United States and Canada, is the world's most popular sport. With over 2 billion people turning on their TV sets daily to watch a game or two, football has the fastest-growing online audience and generates significant income for game creators, be it for TV or online. It is played by two teams of 11 players on a rectangular field with a goal at each end. The objective is to score by getting a spherical ball into the opposing team's goal using any part of the body except the hands and arms. Only the goalkeepers are allowed to use their hands and arms, and only within their penalty area. A standard match consists of two 45-minute halves, with a break in between. Soccer is governed globally by the Fédération Internationale de Football Association, FIFA, which organizes major tournaments like the FIFA World Cup. The game emphasizes skill, strategy, and teamwork, and is celebrated for its accessibility, as it requires minimal equipment to play.